our culture in Timor-Leste, but it is special in Baguia, where I born. I remember the ceremonies when I was young. It is a celebration we call Barlaki, or the ceremony of Desluto is Koremetan, and also there is another ceremony we call Festa. So it is different between, if we say Koremetan is like me now in the morning, so when it is 1 year after a person died, we take off the black, then we have a big party. But it is depend to the economy of everyone. Not every people have party, but everyone has Koremetan or Desluto. But also there is another ceremony, we say Festa is can be a party of the any party we need to do, like graduation party or married party or any party we can do, is like general party. Another ceremony is cultural ceremony. We say Barlaki ceremony or merit system ceremony, where the men is parents and women is parents. They sit together and talk about the diary of the girl or woman. So when they talk about Barlaki, this is the things. So it named sword in English, but in Tetun it is katana, and this is Reda, we named it. And this is the other things, is not the same. Look like the same but different name we have. So this is Reda and Bida, and this is the katana or si we named. So three of it different meaning and different prices for the Barlaki. So this is from men's parents to organize to give to women's parents. So another materials where we use for the ceremony of Barlaki is ties. So this is the ties. Is we say ties feto. Is for women ties, and it is long, yeah, like this. So women ties, but also there is men ties. So when like my sister-in-law to go to married, I need to organize these things to them. So there is more tais mane and tais feto, and it is like open the way where they go. So when a girl start to be married, the parents need to have the tais mane and tais feto for them to open the way, so the women and men, parents and family, they know each other, but also the sword. The ties also most important in the funeral ceremony. So in the funeral ceremony, if it is happened to me, then my parents need to organize all those ties with rice and pigs, then they bring to my family or to me. But if it is happened to my parents, there is something happen in my parents, or there is ceremony like funeral ceremony or cultural ceremony in my parents, we don't need to bring ties, but we need to bring sword or katana, and we need to bring money, buffaloes, and horses. It is the way where our culture is. This one is we named Morten. So it's like a necklace, but it is full mean when someone married, but it's not normal. The parents give to the daughters. So it is give to the daughters, but when the daria is finished. So it's like my mother has 12 buffaloes and 7 swords and full of the gold around. And it is when I and my husband or Johnny's family, they already organized it to give back to my parents. Then my parents has this to me. So they will put in my neck, and it's meaning that the barlaki is finished. It is the cultural materials and cultural ceremony we have is still practice around in our life now. In occupation time, we didn't practice it because it is a very hard time for us for economy, and we cannot get the materials, and also we are not afford to do the ceremony because for 4 years or nearly 5 years we went around, move around on the mountain, and it is a very hard time for us to get back all those things. In Indonesian time, we don't need to rebuild a sacred house. But now we start everywhere, in every village, we restart a sacred house because it is the most important for us, Timorese, where we come from and where we live, and the other things still there is meaningful for the sacred house. That is why we restart all the ceremony we had in Portuguese time. So now young people also, they involve to develop the culture of Timor-Leste and Bagia. To make waving ties is from Portuguese time. It is hardest because they need to get color from natural color, where they get bark or soil or mud, and they cooked as a color of the cotton, and they make like this. So this become a natural color. So like red or yellow or orange, every color in the ties, it is natural in Portuguese time. And they take maybe 2-3 weeks to prepare it, and to be ready for one ties, maybe become 2 months to get ready, because before they weave, they need to do the flowering. So this is they do different time. When it is ready, then they open up the cord where they type in to be flower, then they weave. So it's make 2 months to be ready for one woman or man ties. But now it is a little bit easy to do because we get color. The cotton is already in color, so we just buy from the shop. Then we weave and also ties. In the west of Timor-Leste, it's like Maliana, Suai, they have machine to do it and is easier. But in Bagia, no, there is only manual. So we need to do the same process in Portuguese time. I think the culture of Timor-Leste, special Bagia, it is important in our life, because from that culture we respect each other. So we know from generation to generation is still become family, because it is relation to the culture. If there is no culture, then maybe we just know sister and brothers and cousin or nephew and niece, then that's all. We don't know the other generation or the second or third cousin or nephew or yeah. So it is very good for us as part of our life that the culture is make our relationship is strength. Yeah, so it is the good things we have, or I see from the culture view. And we still respect until maybe great grandparents. We still know each other because it is the culture. So when we build the sacred house, is not my parents and just me or my children, but maybe my grandparents' sister or her grandchildren, they are coming too, and they feel that they are belong to that sacred house. So it is a big relationship between us. Even we don't know each other every day, but in the special ceremony, they can come together and they explain who they are. So it is very good for the culture that make us to be strong in the relationship. And sometimes if there is big problem, we cannot solve the problem through law or the rules or the other things, but we can solve the problem into the culture and we'll be okay. So it is the things I think I need to do the additional.